In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted folder from Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. The first step you want to take is to access Google Drive. Open up your web browser, that could be Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you prefer, and head on over to the Google Drive homepage by typing in drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. This is essential because only you have access to your files and folders. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the trash. To do this, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see different options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and so on. Click on the option labeled Trash. This section is important because it's where deleted files and folders are temporarily stored. So, if you've accidentally deleted something, this is the first place you'll want to check. Now that you're in the trash, your goal is to locate the folder you want to restore. Scroll through the list of items in the trash to find that specific folder. If you have lots of deleted items, this might take a little patience. Take your time to ensure you are selecting the correct folder, because once you start the restoration process, you'll want to confirm that it's the right one. Once you've found the folder you want to recover, the next step is to restore it. Simply click on the folder to select it. After selecting the folder, look up at the top of the window for the Restore icon. This icon looks like a circular arrow. You can't miss it. Now click on that Restore icon. What happens next is that the folder will be moved out of the trash and back to its original location in your drive. It's a pretty straightforward process, and it usually only takes a few seconds. After you've restored the folder, you can easily access it again by navigating to My Drive, where you'll find it right where you left it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully restored a deleted folder from Google Drive. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you accidentally delete a folder or file, just remember these simple steps. Access Google Drive, go to the trash, locate your folder, and hit the Restore icon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. We're always here to guide you through tech solutions to make your online experience better. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.